In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect forms to segment in Mautic. By the end, your form submissions will automatically place contacts into the exact segment you want, which is perfect for targeted emails, campaigns, and clean list organization. First, open your Mautic login page and sign into your account. Once you land on the dashboard, look to the main navigation and click Components. From there, choose Forms. This is where all your existing forms live and where you'll connect a form to a segment. Find the form you're currently working on and open it. When the form details appear, click Edit. This takes you into the form builder where you can adjust settings and define what happens after someone submits the form. We're going to add a submit action that modifies a contact's segments. Inside the form editor, go to the Actions section. Choose to add a new submit action. You'll see a list of available actions. Select Modify Contacts Segments. This action tells Mautic to place a contact into a specific segment the moment they submit the form. Quick tip: if you don't see the segment you're expecting later on, make sure that segment already exists and that you have access to it. Give this action a clear, descriptive name so you and your teammates can recognize it later, such as Add to Newsletter Segment or Webinar Registrants. Add a brief description to capture why this action exists or when it should be used. Good labeling pays off when you revisit automations months down the road. Next, open the segment dropdown and pick the segment you want these form submitters to join. Choose the most relevant segment for your workflow. If your teams use naming conventions, stick to those so your segments remain organized and easy to search. Within this action type, you can typically add contacts to a segment. Some setups also allow removal, but today we're focusing on adding. When you've selected the right segment, confirm by clicking Add to create the submit action. You should now see the action listed in your form's action list. Finally, save your work by clicking Save and Close. This publishes the change so that every new submission will automatically add that contact to the segment you chose. That's it. You navigated to your form, edited its actions, created a Modify Contacts Segments action with a clear name and description, selected the correct segment, added the action, and saved. With this in place, your segmentation stays accurate from the moment a lead submits the form, keeping your campaigns targeted and your data clean.